Hari Om. Today we are going to practice 3 asana postures and 1 pranayama. So get ready, sit comfortably with the closed eyes, adopt Gyan Mudra, keep on your knees, take a deep breath in and out. Let us start the session with Om chanting. Adopt Namaste Mudra in front of your chest. Take a deep breath in and breath out. Inhale. Slowly bring your hands down, join your palm, rub your palm, give massage to your face and gently open your eyes. Now lie down on your back, legs together. First posture we are going to practice Utthit Padahastasana. Utthit means lifting hand and leg upward. Now with inhalation, lift up your leg up to 90 degree, adjust your body, adjust your knee, adjust your cloth. Keep your knee straight, stretch your toes downward. With inhalation, lift up your hand and hands also keep straight. Now, don't shake your body, don't move your body. Even in this posture, don't lift up your head. Stay here as much as longer. You must practice this posture at least 30 seconds or up to 1 minute. This posture good for belly fat, good for fat loss, good for weight loss, improve your digestive system. Also this posture helps for acidity, gases problem, constipation. Also this posture good for those are suffering from knee pain, sexual disorder or varicose veins. So this posture good for them. So stay here as much as longer. This posture should not practice those are suffering from like high BP. Ladies cannot practice in monthly problems and in pregnancy. Once you finish the practice, gently bring your hands down and without bending your knees, slowly bring your leg down. Legs apart, hand apart and take rest for a while. And now get ready for next posture, Setu Bandhasana, Kandharasana or bridge pose. This posture in final position looks like a bridge, that's why this posture called bridge pose Setu Bandhasana. Also known as Kandharasana because you are practicing this posture supporting with the shoulders. Take a deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Get ready for Kandharasana. Gently bend your knees, half feet distance in between your both legs. Now catch your ankle joint with your palm. Take deep breath in and out. Gently lift up your hip as much as upward. While lifting your hip upward, go as much as up. Try to touch your chin to the chest. Stay here at least 30 seconds or 1 minute. This posture good for back pain, good for hip fat, good for thigh fat, good for knees. This posture good for thyroid problem, good for skin disorder, also good for gases problem. Once you finish this posture, slowly keep your hip down, release your leg and one by one keep your both legs straight and lie down on your back, legs apart, hands apart, eyes closed. Take deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Keep focusing on deep inhalation and exhalation. Feel the beautiful changes in your body, in your breath and mind. Who cannot do this posture? Those are suffering from neck pain or those have spondylosis problem, fits problem, then you cannot practice this posture. After this asana, relax in Shavasana for a while. Relax each and every part of your body. Feel the beautiful changes in your body, in your breath, in your mind. Once you feel comfortable, once you feel relaxed, then get ready for next posture, Matsyasana, fish pose. This posture looks like a fish, that's why this posture called fish pose, Matsyasana. Keep your legs together. Inhale, raise your right leg and bend your right knee. Keep your right ankle joint on your left thigh with the help of your hand. You can keep your right knee down or you can keep upward. Stay here. Now inhale, raise your left leg and bend your knee and keep your left ankle joint on your right thigh. Adha Padmasana. Inhale, raise your hand, fold your hand and keep your both palm beside your ears, under your shoulder. Okay, knee still upward. Now with inhalation, try to lift up your chest as much as upward and push your knee downward. Now keep your crown area on the floor, release your hand and try to catch your big toes with your both hands. Press your elbows on the floor and stay in this final position at least 30 seconds or 1 minute. This posture good for thyroid problem, mental disorder, stress. If you cannot make proper decision, good for them. Those are very afraid, thinking too much. Those have lack of confidence problem. Those have voice problem. Once you finish this posture, you can release your hand, give support to your shoulder, lift up your shoulder, keep your head straight, release your hand. Now with the help of your hand, keep your legs straight one by one and lie down on your back, relaxing Shavasana. Take a deep inhalation and exhalation, relax in Shavasana for a while. Relax each and every part of your body. Relax your toes, relax your sole, relax your heel, ankle joint, relax your calf muscles, relax your knee joint, relax your thighs, squeeze your buttocks and relax your buttocks, relax each and every bone of your spine, relax your lower back, relax your middle back, relax your upper back, relax your shoulders, drop down your shoulder, relax your shoulders. Inhale, expand your chest, exhale, relax your chest. Inhale, expand your belly, exhale, relax your belly part. Relax your arm, relax your elbows, relax your wrist joint, relax your palm and fingers. Relax your throat, relax your neck, relax your chin, lips, cheeks, ear, nose, eyeball, eyelid, forehead, and completely relax your whole body from the tip of the toes to the top of the head. After asana practice, we will start one breathing practice, Bhastrika Pranayama. Fold your leg and sit in Vajrasana. Fold your hand and make a fist with your hand. Look at me first. When inhale, raise your hand this way, and when you exhale, fold your hand and bring it down. Okay? Now get ready. Inhale, hands up, and exhale, hands down. Ready? Inhale and start. Exhale, hands down, relax for a while. Just focus on breath. Breathe in and breathe out. And get ready for second round. Fold your hand and start. Shwas and exhale, hands down. Relax for a while. Inhale deeply and exhale smoothly. If you want to practice more, you can do it 2 or 3 more rounds. Once you finish, you can lie down on your back and relax in Shavasana for a while, or you can do it more practice also. So we will stop here. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day.